Hello guys and welcome back.
Welcome back.
Today we have something special for all of you that you have pets inside your house. I know you love your furry
Animals.
and we have something for you. So let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go. So we have
the tower Aquajetplus. And we have a beautiful puppy there.
Yeah, we do. You can clean lots of things with that. Carpets, staircases, your car.
Yes.
That's why we got it. I thought I'm not going to use the knife, but... So, let's see what we have in the box. We've got a small manual.
This is a manual.
Let's go to the product.
On this device it has two attachments for hard carpets and for normal
Oh, I like the brush on this. That's one of them. Let's put it here. Small bits.
Yeah.
I think we will need these later.
Yeah.
There's the second one.
All right. Looks like it's bigger than the one it has on it. Yeah. It's like you use it only for vacuum.
For vacuum water.
Yeah.
The other one is...
It has the jet on it.
Let's see.
Let me take you closer.
Yeah, it's just... Oh, it's not really heavy. It's quite light.
It's only 3 kilos.
Yeah, it is. It's sweet. So let's...
They have a very huge wire for this device. Obviously, you don't play with electricity and water, so they put quite a long wire.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
Is it not cute?
Yeah.
And tidy. You can actually...
Yeah, you can put it on your drawer as is.
I'm pretty sure I will figure out where.
Yeah. So have a look. Let me have a look at the label. Just on the label, what it says. Can you pick it up?
Yeah, easily.
So on the label it says 400 watts IPX4. So basically it's splash proof. So you can maybe make it a little wet, but don't put it inside the bucket.
Well, no. Here we have 2 containers that easily clip out.
Yeah, this is the container that it doesn't say anything.
This is the one that you actually vacuum the dirty water. See how easy it is? Just clip on.
Clip on.
And clip off. Really simple.
Okay, and this is for the clean water.
This is the clean water. Again, very, very easy.
Yeah, I believe...
I love the way it actually has some like baby filters in here.
Yeah. I'm not sure. We will see. I think you have to put this.
Yeah.
It's like a valve that is not going to let water to go out of the filter.
Yeah. Here, we've got one of the attachments I think that's harder to get on than actually. There it is.
Yeah, because you put it once. It's for to hold your.
That's for your
hose.
pipe.
Yeah. Right.
Oh.
Yeah, if you touch there with the pipe.
Yeah, if I put the things on, it will reach.
All right.
Little button, on and off. Simple click button. And I think we have to power it up.
Not without water.
Well, obviously, yeah, but.
Yeah, we have a huge wire.
That is quite a long wire.
Has to be 3 meters.
Possibly, yes.
We will find out.
We will find out.
You will see on the video how much the length of the wire is.
So
it's an interesting device.
I had an accident.
It's an interesting device for all of you. You have pets, and you want to clean your carpets after.
There's the little filter I was talking about.
Let me have a look at the filter. We're gonna go to the. If you want to attach the.
I am going to attach this one that we're obviously going to use.
Yes.
It has a specific way that you just. Nails. Oh, you don't need.
So it has O-rings.
Yeah, and you just click.
That's it.
Yeah, clip it back on.
We're gonna fill it with water and plug it in, and we go for there.
Yeah.
So if you want to fill the clean tank, you turn it upside down from the device. You remove the bottom, that valve, and you put inside your carpet cleaning solution.
Mm-hmm. Close that before I knock it.
And then we're gonna use some water from the Brita tank. It has a mark from maximum.
Yeah, don't overfill it.
Don't overfill, they say.
Now, if it leaks or not.
I don't think it's gonna leak because it's the purpose of it is to.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Well, it doesn't leak from the bottom, but it definitely does not like standing
Upside down.
upside down. So bear in mind, you have to be fast with filling it. And you just click it on.
You see some bubbles coming up. All right, that's perfect. So let's plug it in.
Yep.
All right, let's power the device on and see how it's gonna react.
Woo!
So there it is. What's your experience with this device, Zoe?
It's definitely good for sport cleaning. As it says, it's a sport cleaner. I think it's quite good. Strong. It actually collects quite a lot of water after you've washed it. It will not dry completely your carpet. It won't. But it's good. I like it. It's handy. It's easy to use.
We found out in a good way that you have to be careful how much cleaning solution you put on inside.
Yeah.
Because the device overfilled here and it started throwing a little of soap outside. So that's why there is an indication here that says max. If you see that your water goes here, you have to
Just empty it because
empty it and try again. And if you do multiple attempts to clean your carpet, it's a good idea to replenish your water with clean water and empty your dirty water container.
yeah, you don't want it too full because
It's quite loud, I can say. Yeah, obviously it's a vacuum with an Aquajet. It's quite loud, but I feel that it did a very good job.
well, it did a good job because if you actually check the carpet, okay, this stain will never go, but you see how little it's
showing.
It's showing. The rest of the carpet is definitely the colour it was. It did clean it. So for like spot cleaning, accidents for pets, I highly recommend it.
Yes, this is the Tower Aquajetplus, and you can use it to clean carpets.
Accidentally knock your wine down, it does make a really bad stain, especially red wine. If you have this and get straight on it, I really believe your carpet will be like new. I really believe it will get the wine off the carpet really fast.
Okay, so that is it. This is the Aquajet from Tower, a very efficient spot cleaner for your pets and for your house and for your car. Everything has to do with the carpet surface. It will help. It's a spot cleaner, small spaces. Imagine your dog peed on the carpet.
It's perfect.
It's perfect and it's very fast and it's drying the carpet very efficient again. So don't forget to follow us and subscribe to our channel because we have more interest in devices for your house. And don't forget to like. We had again Zoe looking after the devices.
Trying them, seeing the goods and bads in them. But I approve that one. Definitely good.
So have a great night and see you on the next video.
See ya. Thank you for the support.